Did you know that despite all the armor tech in modern phones, a simple 3-foot drop onto concrete still has an 80% chance of shattering your screen? All the links are in the description. We're diving into the best Galaxy S26 Plus cases for 2026 to ensure your flagship stays flawless. Whether you want a naked phone feel or a literal tank, I've rounded up the top 7 contenders. We'll compare everything from aerospace materials to 360-degree stands head-to-head so you can pick the perfect shield. What's your priority? Maximum drop protection or MagSafe convenience? Let me know in the comments. 7. Ringke Onyx, Magnetic Black. Starting at number 7, the Ringke Onyx balances rugged durability with a slim, ergonomic profile. Its flexible TPU material provides military-grade protection without the bulk, featuring a unique anti-fingerprint granulate texture that resists dirt. The built-in MagSafe compatible magnets offer a secure connection for chargers and wallets. Outperforming many standard Android cases, compared to the Spigen rugged armor, the Onyx offers a more tactile, sandstone grip and versatile lanyard holes, making it a better value for masking daily wear. While it only comes in a few colors and the texture can trap lint, its non-slip micro-dot sides are perfect for humid conditions. What do you think about this textured finish? 6. TORRAS Diamond Clear Case. At number 6, the TORRAS Diamond Clear showcases your S26 Plus's aesthetic with high transparency protection that won't yellow, thanks to 2026 Blue Molecule technology. It boasts 12-foot military-grade protection via X-Shock 3.0 airbags while maintaining a slim, pocket-friendly 6.7-inch profile. The hybrid build uses flexible edges for grip and a hard back that mimics the phone's native glass feel. Unlike the Spigen Ultra Hybrid, the TORRAS formula is more advanced at resisting UV radiation and hand oils over time. It's ideal for minimalists, though it lacks a magnetic ring, and the high-gloss finish shows smudges easily. Do you prefer clear cases or solid designs? 5. FNTCASE Rugged Armor. Kit number 5 is the FNTCASE, an all-in-one armor kit for those who prioritize security over size. This dual-layer hybrid includes 2 interchangeable front frames, one with a built-in screen protector and one naked frame for your own tempered glass. It features a multi-angle kickstand and textured bumpers for a confident grip, even with gloves. Compared to the Poetic Spartan, FNTCASE provides better value by offering that customizable screen protection. While it significantly increases the phone's footprint and may block oversized charging cables, the 360-degree safety net is unmatched for high-risk environments. Would you carry a case this bulky for extra safety? 4. Spigen Tough Armor MagFit. Coming in at number 4, the Spigen Tough Armor MagFit offers heavy-duty security in a streamlined form. It integrates extreme protection tech with impact foam to handle serious drops, and the new MagFit technology finally brings native MagSafe style compatibility to the Galaxy line. The build quality is top tier, featuring tactile buttons and a flush folding kickstand. Unlike the OtterBox commuter, this case includes both the magnetic array and the stand in a much slimmer, more modern aesthetic. It's an outstanding value for professionals who want tank-like protection with modern magnetic convenience. Is Spigen your go-to brand, or are you trying something new? 3. TORRAS Ostand Q. 3-spin at number 3. The TORRAS Ostand Q. 3-spin redefines utility with a revolutionary 360-degree rotating aerospace-grade aluminum ring. This ring functions as a stable stand and a secure finger grip, supported by an 18N Halbach magnetic array that's 40% stronger than standard MagSafe options. It offers 12-foot shockproof protection and a frosted translucent back that resists fingerprints. Compared to the Spigen Tough Armor, the Ostand provides far more flexibility for creators, propping the phone at any angle in both portrait and landscape. It's a bit pricier and heavier, but it replaces the need for separate stands and rings entirely. Is a 360-degree stand a game changer for you? 2. Poetic Guardian Magnetic. Our runner-up, the Poetic Guardian, masterfully combines a rugged industrial aesthetic with magnetic versatility. It offers 360-degree protection with a scratch-resistant clear back and an integrated rotating magnetic ring kickstand. This case includes a premium tempered glass screen protector in the box, making it a more complete kit than the TORRAS Ostand. The reinforced corners act as tiny airbags, while the N52 magnetic ring ensures a rock-solid connection to car mounts. While the design might be too aggressive for some and the clear back attracts smudges, its durability is unquestionable for active lifestyles. Does this industrial look appeal to you? 1. PITAKA Edge Case, Moonrise. Taking the top spot, the PITAKA Edge Case is the pinnacle of minimalist luxury. Crafted from 1500D aerospace-grade aramid fiber, it's only 1.2 millimeters thick, yet stronger than steel. The 2026 model introduces the Aaron button, a programmable NFC shortcut to launch apps or smart home routines. Its fusion weaving provides a unique, high-friction texture that feels silky yet secure. Compared to the Mouse Limitless, the PITAKA is vastly thinner and lighter, prioritizing a bare metal feel. While it offers less drop protection than the rugged tanks on this list and carries a premium price, it's the ultimate choice for tech-savvy professionals. Is the ultra-slim feel worth the price tag? That's our countdown of the best Galaxy S26 Plus cases. From the heavy-duty FNTCASE to the feather-light PITAKA, there's a perfect match for everyone. All the links are in the description. If this helped you choose, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Which one of these 7 cases are you picking up for your new Samsung? Let me know in the comments.